Hello friends, today I will focus your attention on all important things related to issue invoice, their prerequisite elements, languages, currency, etc. So, according to Bulgarian legislation, issuing invoice under we say VAT invoice or tax invoice, there are 13 strict prerequisite elements to be put within the invoice, not special places, but must be there. First, labeling of invoice as such, serial 10-digit numbers, this design, and every next must be sequenced in numbering and chronological. Date of issue must be there, name of invoice issuer, name of address of invoicing party, uniform identification number of invoicing party, both registered number, BULSTAT we say, and VAT identification number, name and address of the invoices recipient, again registration number and VAT. Also, when we sell goods, the quantity and type of product, unit price and the total price of invoice. The date of chargeable event, because this is important because it set the date and the period in which VAT is due. Prices without VAT, so the tax base, VAT rate, we saw that this is 20% amount of the VAT due to the budget. Type of payment could be cash on hand or bank transfer. And in case of the new community supply of a new vehicle, should be stated the date of producing the new vehicle. So this is in order to be classified new vehicle from the date of production must be run maximum 6 months. Also in the printout, paper document of the tax invoice, we need to stress on several important prerequisites. Serial number, as I say, consequent in chronologic and in numbering. So writing original on the first copy, on the second, that is for the invoice provider, could be copy. Name, identification number of the person issuing the invoice. VAT, identification number of the recipient. So, position of the details, these prerequisite elements, is not mandatory and strictly fixed. The design is free, but they should be there. They must be there. They are obligatory. So the language, Bulgarian language, Bulgarian Arabic numbers can be issued in any European foreign language and in foreign currency, but in this case must be supplemented with the Bulgarian language and issued in BGN. So just two good examples of the design. So the English, that is more related to international style, is you see here the serial number, the name that this is invoice, the recipient. Here you are free in how many lines you need for different goods, for the different services. See here the rate and amount of the VAT, and the amount due, and here the issuer of the invoice. Here Bulgarian, and also which here is more visible, the IBAN, and in which will be the type of the payment, cash, on hand or by bank. You can see that Bulgarian design is more strict, more fixed, rather than you have more creativity, freedom in the English and international design. But as I say, design is free to make it in order if you want to better represent your business, to make it more nice, more readable. But all obligatory prerequisite must take place. So another important element of the tax VAT invoices is when you invoice to foreign company, to put in place the reason for charging zero VAT. So this grounds article 84-86 is for export, and this article 21-22 is for inter-community delivery. You use it in export or inter-community delivery to say that you are not charging VAT in your invoice, and this will be done either by the custom house in the particular country in these cases, and in the self-charge when this inter-community delivery by your recipients. So this is the most important, and this is comprehensive description of all important things when you issue invoice to a Bulgarian or international partner. For any specific case that could appear, we are happy to help you to solve this one, because really issuing absolutely strict as a design and following strictly requirements of the law. This is your badge, your visit card, and also at audits it is very important these documents to be recognized by the tax authority. So from myself and on behalf of my team, I wish you health, very success in your business in Bulgaria, and again, happy to help your business grow. Bye bye.